It's too loud than my voice. Let's try it again. This is POP number. It is prob number 10. That's what I'm using, and some melody, and then sing along. Here we go. Let's try it. I get a fever one more time in my mind. I see the future. Every minute is not yet, so I'm ready to go to the future. No matter how I'm gonna get there, tomorrow is mine. Yeah, yeah, tomorrow is mine. You can punch me today, you can make me cry. No matter what you do to me today, tomorrow is mine. Because no one, I say no one, I'll ever see tomorrow. You can do me today, but tomorrow is not yet. You can make me cry today, but tomorrow you're not there. And I believe the wind in me is going to tomorrow with me. Whether in this body or new baby body, I will still be in this life, because tomorrow, no matter how old you are, tomorrow is coming. You will be old, or you become the child. When tomorrow comes, the light in your eyes and the wind in your body will still be the same. Only your memory will be gone, just like every night when you sleep. Yeah, I got a fever one more time. You can punch me today, but tomorrow is mine. I'm telling you, tomorrow will be mine. Yeah, yeah, tomorrow is mine. Do you know how long is tomorrow? Can you think about only yesterday? Yeah, yeah, only yesterday. You punched me so many times yesterday. Do you know how far is yesterday? What